Hello everyone, in this tutorial you will learn how to add a footer in Google Sheets. This is useful for adding page number, dates and notes to printed documents, making your spreadsheet more professional. So let's begin. Use only for print, go to File tab or press Ctrl P, Correct Sheet, Header and Footers, Page Number, Workbook. Simply use Edit Custom, click to add text, Sales Report 2026. Press enter. Confirm. See this result. Then destinations, Microsoft Print to PDF, save as PDF or see more, page per sheet, save. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.